Greetings and welcome to Southern Yankee Homestead. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back. Today we're going to be getting started on the main power coming from the garage. Here is our input power. Basically the power comes into the house through the meter, into this box, goes through a 200 amp breaker, and then back out and into the main of the house. So the idea that I have, and this is our cable box, we're going to basically tap this, pull straight off here, go straight down, follow this orange line through the tractor, and then into the back of the panel that I'm going to use to supply the power for the garage. This is where I put the disclaimer in. I am not an electrician. I am not certified an electrician. I am not a certified electrician. I do have experience with electricity, but I have experience with component level. The power that I used to deal with hurts a lot. That power there, that will kill you 2,000 times over. Plus, I'm going to be burying the line. I'm also going to be careful because we got a lot of stuff going on over here. You got the main power coming in, you got the cable coming in, and you also have the ground for everything. We will be running a separate ground. But right now, the goal is to get the trench dug and get the conduit laid that we're going to eventually run the electricity through. Stick around as we dig a big hole in the backyard. This is why, let's see if you can see that. Right here is ground rod. We got two wires, or one wire going here, and one wire going to another ground rod over in here somewhere. So what I'm going to do is actually dig down to the footer so that I don't hit that. So there's the two things I was worried about right here. The orange stripe is about where I'm going to come up through, but the big one is that ground and the footer. I know my cable runs through here. I'm not worried about that. I'll dig more to the right, but now I am 16 inches below grade. I need to go at least another 2 feet, 24 inches. Alright, that stuff will be ready in 30 minutes. And you probably couldn't see it. You were probably looking at the fence, weren't you? Oh, no, you could. Okay, cool. Let's back this way, and we'll do the final assembly for this. Oof, that stuff is strong. Alright, so we'll pull this back, slide this down. There we go. Our electric should be all together. As long as the, well, as far as the plumbing goes. Oops. Probably have to come back and touch that up again. Oh well.